Are you bothered by having a low number of followers on Reddit and wish to hide that number from others? No problem. Stay until the end of the video to find out how. Open the Reddit app and tap on your avatar in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings at the bottom of the screen and then go to Account Settings. Look for the option Show Your Follower Count. By turning off this option, you'll hide the number of followers on your profile from others. And that's exactly what we'll do. Once you toggle it off, your follower count will no longer be visible to anyone else on Reddit. This setting is perfect for users who prefer to keep their activity private. You can always turn it back on if you change your mind in the future. And that's it. We hope this helps you maintain your privacy and comfort. Subscribe to our channel and support our work.